Hi, my name is Randy Roussin, and I'm going to solve this very mixed up Rubik's Cube. I'm going to solve it in about as fast as I can. So, whenever Alyssa tells me that I can go, I will go and I will do it as fast as I can.
So that timer is...
Yeah, for the timer. That's still going, but you can hit clear now. Alright, Alyssa, tell me when to go.
1, 2, 3, go. What's at your door?
Alright, look, my brother's home. Alright, stop.
Show him.
Oh, yeah. It's completely finished.
I get some of that, don't I?
Yeah, shut up. And then the time of 24 seconds.
Actually, 25.
Shave off a second or two for my brother's interruption, but whatever. Alright, goodbye.